Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful, classy and stylish collection of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a unique concept that is how you can design your hand embroidery patterns and beautify them more with the help of usage of beads, pearls. So different type of stylus pearls have been used in the embroidery pattern along with different colors, but most of the times I would recommend you to keep decent and elegant touch by using white, off-white, or pearl white color pearls. Okay, guys, now let's discuss about the type of embroidery patterns. Different type of stylized patterns of embroidery have been shared, ranging from embroidery style motifs to moving towards all over embroidery pattern and ranging from all over embroidery pattern to moving towards the traditional style neckline patterns and different type of stylized side neck, parallel patterns, and more boat neck, V neck, and square shape patterns of embroidery for dresses, along with the styling patterns of sleeves embroideries have been shown. And the beauty and creativity of this video is not only limited to this, you can also get amazing and beautiful, stylish stitching ideas also. So different color tones ranging from bright color tones to funky colors to royal colors to moving towards the lighter shades of clothes. All the different typical shades that are trending and in demand have been shared with you. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, beautiful, and trendy ideas of embroidery patterns. And guys, one more thing that is don't forget to like my video and leave comments in the comment section that what you feel about my content and what you want us to share with you in the new and more upcoming days. And if you already have subscribed, guys, then one more simple request to you that subscribers are very, very, very important. You can subscribe from number of many other devices to support us to go into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So, guys, I hope that you have liked the ideas and designs of today's video collection. If you really like them, don't forget to appreciate us by liking and commenting. So, stay tuned for the new upcoming videos.